I'm marking the TV location so that when we take it down.
What? Why?
You
guys always leave your stuff everywhere. I don't understand. Like, there's one on the couch, there's one on the coffee table, there's one in the middle of the room. Like, this room is already small enough as it is.
Complaining about the Wi-Fi, so I'm running cables.
I mean, I don't complain about the Wi-Fi, but do you gotta have all your stuff all over the place?
I mean, otherwise I'd have a stack of drawers that reaches the ceiling, or 2 stacks in here.
Look, you got a garage out there.
I'm actively working.
Look, there's more packouts over here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with you.
You could help.
I got an idea.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
What?
Hang on. I got an idea.
Well, if you got a great idea, I gotta see this.
I've got a bright idea. I've got a bright idea. I'm gonna use this bad boy.
What?
Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. There. Okay.
Oh dear.
Yeah. Wait. Oh, wait, I'm gonna put this back over here. Just watch. Just wait a minute. Okay, right. Well, this is gonna fall off my head. You got a big head. Can you see?
No,
Am I blinding
I'm blinded.
Okay. I'm gonna do that here. Do it over here. A little up here. Okay. All right.
Is this what I look like when I'm building things?
Woo, this is like, I don't know how you got a big head. This thing doesn't want to stay on my head. Okay, are you ready for it?
Oh, okay.
Are you ready? Oh, hold on, I gotta set this down. Because this is like falling off my head.
And I'm blind.
It's alright, I didn't mean to blind you. Hold on, it's not done yet, hold on, wait, I got more. As my hair's a mess, but that's okay. Let me make sure I put it on right. Ta-da! What do you think?
Well, what does the box open?
It does. Look, see? What do you think?
Oh, now I have more work surface.
Duh. Look at that.
Oh, that's actually...
See, and then you can get to stuff. It's like a, what do you call it? A side table.
So I can keep my bag.
Yes. So now you can get more of your packouts off the couch.
Because if I...
And off the floor.
So should I put a wing on this side too? I'm going to do...
Fly.
Probably don't need the pipe cutter during low voltage.
Inside stuff? Yeah, I don't know. You could.
Okay. So why don't I show them more?
Okay, that would probably be good.
You know how to take that back off?
I think so. You gotta finger the hole.
Okay. So what I've got here, and I'm going to give you a little bit of homework, you all, on this, because we always want them to
watch other videos.
Yeah, and
like, subscribe,
comment, right?
And comment.
Okay. And on the comment, right? I want you to comment if you want to see me take this thing apart and do it as a quick tip, a build video on how I did this. But what I did, right, is I have a JDS Custom PACKOUT mounting plate. This is the internal flange. It fit perfectly. The tools that she has over here, I'll show you, but everyone, always likes to give me crap. What do I have all this for? Well, I constantly try to invent or come up things, or I see Packible Tool working on something and I want to elaborate on it. I see Milwaukee Tool Addict and I want to elaborate on it. And I saw a guy, and I was actually looking for a way to put a solar panel on one of these. So I got these brackets, and Packible had seen someone else use the brackets, and he's going to be making a kit for this as well, to where you can do like a half size and a bunch of other stuff. But basically, these are the RAM mounts, rail adapter mounts that Packible makes. These are the stainless. They've got these little easy to use finger latches, pinch out brackets that lock, and 1/4 bolts go into his rail mounts. The JDS plate, let me see that drill. I used the cool little Milwaukee, and these are metric, so this is an M5, and it's a drill and tap, and I literally marked it and just drilled the bottom of this. One of those things that everyone likes to hand me the little keychain.
This thing?
Right. So this thing is pretty sweet. If you're ever building stuff at home, always make sure you keep one of these, so then you don't have to run to the store. But literally every conceivable size that I would use is on this, both metric and standard. So I was able to just see what size bolts I have, see what size tap I have. I put 6 bolts because screws, bolts, whatever, because they're smaller, and I didn't want to use something heavy duty for the length and width and trying to use a nut and a bolt. But yeah, it's as simple as dropping the rails, putting the rail access mounts on them, rail adapter mounts, putting the shelf bracket on, 4 bolts there, 6 screws there, and as you can see, it's got a side table. And the best is, watch, hand me the pack out, would you? I wouldn't necessarily say I would go through the door forward, but I could even do that and pull this thing around like that. I don't have room to put it on both sides, but if you want to see the full build of this in a video, I just want you to comment below. That's all you got to do. And yeah, like she said, now I can have more of my packouts out of the way. I could obviously put 2 on the side of this if I wanted, especially when you have stuff like bags on the top. So if she was kicking me out of a room,
then you can
throw everything on and pack out.
That's right.
So
wait, there is a couple things laying around though that you need to.
I gotta clean up more stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I go get them real quick
sure.
and I can show you? Okay.
Yeah.
We've got. This is just laying around the house. You know, it needs a home.
Oh, the socket set.
Yeah.
That was a good one. You guys loved the fact that it didn't include a ratchet in a socket set. So that's a good win, Amazon. And is that it?
There's one more.
Oh, there's more.
Yeah, there's always more with you.
Ah, the demo product. Yeah, so this is a cool, it's got a little Android touchscreen interface, or not touchscreen, but Android interface ODB scanner. Used once for a demo, and we got to give that away.
Yeah, so what are we doing with these? We're giving them away, right?
Yeah, so
Yeah,
why don't
so we
you
have to-
grab a chair, and I'll grab a camera.
Okay. I get the chair.
Oh, sorry, I was distracted by Packout Princess.
Hello. I'm looking. Okay. Well, we're going to go to this one first.
Which one's this?
This one is the scanner.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I scrolled through them, and this one was the winner, LTJB. They said, I have this POS 2013 Mazda 3 work car that I basically reset the check engine light every time I drive it. It's an emission code, and I took it to a shop, and they supposedly fixed it. Nope, fixed price there, right? Did a smoke test on it and couldn't find a leak. I'm in the process of narrowing down the actual problem myself since now I can't renew my plates until it doesn't have any active codes. And of course, my 100-year-old Actron scanner finally bit the dust since that cord that had been electrical taped back in place 400 times and finally broke off the top once and for all. LOL, figures. So LTJB, you can email us at winning@jakeofall.com or allsfailsorders@jakeofall.com. So you're the winner and email us. So
For the code scanner.
For the code scanner. Okay. So for the socket, it was a socket set, right?
Yeah, the Amazon
The one
socket
that was
set.
missing, let's see. We're going to go with this one. Brian Steele. I've been trying to come up with a good go-to socket set using a 48, 22, 84, 30 box. So he has Milwaukee. Underneath to have a full set of 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 all in one Packout box. To me, it seems like it'll work with some trimming, and he would like to do it. So Brian Steele, email us at winners@jakeofall.com or allsfailsorders@jakeofall.com and let us know your YouTube name so that we can get you your winnings. Thanks for watching and subscribing and commenting.
All right, so while Princess writes down
I'm writing down
the winners so we don't forget.
That's right.
That means you guys don't forget, and all you that watched along, if you won, make sure you do what she says. You got to listen to the boss lady.
That's right.
Next week's video, she will have a different hair color, and
No, I like this hair color.
it'll probably be the Stack Smarter stuff. We'll go back to that. But as you can see, that rig is really coming along, and this is what it's all about. Or at least you do a job, you find a way to work more efficient. So comment below.
Did you get it out of the house?
And you,
Well, not out of the house, but
in the
at
house.
least off my coffee table and couch.
But comment below if you want to see a build video on it. There's the shelf, not whatever. Sorry, Packout Princess didn't stick her tongue out in this video because, you know.
I've been drinking coffee, so
You got a brown tongue?
yeah, my tongue's a little dirty.
I don't believe it.
Got a
Let me
dirty
see.
tongue.
Oh, okay, put that thing away. So comment below, hit subscribe, share, tell your buddies, your friends.
And I promise next week I'll wear something different. Oh, I didn't want to do it today.
I don't know. I'm still saying you're caliente, so. Have a good one. See you guys.
Bye.